I've always been pretty bad at claw machines, but I hate losing. So I always end up paying around 20 bucks before I actually win a prize to take home. After losing a lot of money, I thought maybe I should start practicing so I can actually start winning. So I decided to make my very own desktop claw machine. And today, I'm going to bring you behind the scenes of how I coded, built, and set up my very own desktop claw machine. To start this project, I kicked things off in the digital realm using a CAD software to design all of the parts. Once I was happy with my design, I cut everything out using a laser cutter out of 1/8" MDF. And then I put my creation to life and I put everything together and I assembled everything. Then I decided to add a little pizzazz and I sprayed on a white base coat and I also added some personal touches and I hand drew some designs. As you can probably tell, I really like space. To actually put the mechanical aspect into it, I used all of this tech. I used the WLKATA MT4 Robotic Arm and I connected it to the AI-HUB. And then I coded it so that we can use the joystick to move around the arm. Just like in a normal claw machine, you can go left, right, forward, and backwards. And to pick up the toy, you can just press the joystick so that it goes down and it picks up the toy. For this design, I used a pneumatic gripper that activates suction once you press the joystick. Thanks for hanging out and watching me build this epic claw machine. If you enjoyed this behind the scenes look and these type of maker projects, be sure to hit the like button and comment down below any thoughts and questions you may have, and don't forget to subscribe so you can see more videos.